Now, let's start the driver installation. Download the Updating File folder to the computer desktop by using the Cloud Drive's download link. Install the drivers in turn according to the marked number in folder. The first step, install the CH340 driver. Open the Updating File folder. Open the USB to TTL folder. Double-click the CH341SCR driver application. Click Install. Click OK to finish the CH340 driver installation. The second step, install the PL2303 driver. Open the PL2303 folder. Double-click the driver for installation. Click Next. Click I accept. Click Next. Click Finish to finish the PL2303 driver installation. The third step, install Leader Pro V2 driver. Open the Driver folder. Double-click the Leader Pro V2 driver for installation. Click Next. You can change the installation location here. Click Next. Click Next. Click Install. Click Finish to finish the Leader Pro V2 driver installation. Up to now, all the necessary program drivers have been installed successfully. The software setting and operation instruction. Open the Cloud Drive Programmer folder. Double-click the application. Click the Win and X keys together on keyboard. Click Device Manager. Click Ports to check the connection serial port number. Back to Software Interface. Select the right serial port number we found. Now according to the indicated data on right. We modify the data of baud rate and product select separately. Click the Search button and select the program file need to update. Pay attention that, before click the Program button, we must make sure the programmer's power switch is at off position. Click Program button firstly, and then quickly turn on the programmer's power switch to start the updating work. When a new warning window with Program Download Successful comes out, click OK to finish the program updating.